Hi, welcome back. This is Daniel Parsons. Really excited. It's the 25th of May, 2023, heading into summer. And Yoli, a wellness company, it's 14 years in business now, based in Salt Lake City, Utah, USA, announced the $400 retail transformation kit for weight loss is on sale for more than 50% off. Excuse me. I want to quickly go to screen share and show you the details. For $197, you can get this incredible package and kickstart your summer with energy and have the nutrients your body needs and lose weight. So on the order form, and I want to clarify the $299.97 price is the member price, okay? I get, as a Yoli member, a better price. Now, customers in the future can also get a discounted price on the kits, but this is a one-time offer at $197. So they're giving away the store here. So you just want to select two. I prefer that chocolate, but I understand I've tried the vanilla. I understand the spiced chai is delicious also. This is the Yoli Essential Shake. If you're somebody that's really on the go and you need something, a real quick energy and healthy, nutritious breakfast, I highly recommend that. Then the Yoli Passion is very famous. I added one of the variety pack and one of the Passion Peach Mango. And then you'll get the Yoli Pure. This is for your gut health. It's a fantastic product. The Yoli Resolve to fight hunger. Then you'll also get the Yoli blender bottle. It's a 20-ounce white classic blender bottle with a white Yoli logo. Then you'll get the 28-day transformation guide, the Better Body System workbook. You'll get one of those. You'll get two of this Alkalete pH balance. This product right here is one of the best nutritional support products I have ever found. And then you'll just add to cart, and then you'll be ready to go. So this offer, available in the United States only. Promo period is started now already, 2:15 Mountain Time, 25th of May, until 11:59 at night Mountain Time on May the 29th. And that, of course, my friends, is Memorial Day. So that is a Monday. So come midnight, Monday night, Memorial Day, where we stop and honor our war dead. That's it. So you want to get your order in as soon as possible while supplies last. Maximum of 2 orders per member or subscriber ID. The purpose of the purchase of the Yoli Transformation Kit for $197 contains $100 of commissionable volume, and that's for all of you in the business side of Yoli. Must use your promo code T-Kit offer, do it in all caps, to receive a discount. Promotion cannot be combined with any other offer or discount. Subscribe and save orders are excluded from this promotion. Yoli reserves the right to cancel or modify orders that do not meet company requirements. So that's the end of the video for today, my friends. I highly recommend you get your Yoli T-Kit. And I'm excited. My username is Parsons, just like it says right here in the Meet In conference room. I'm here to support you grow your Yoli business. I have a very big team, and my sponsor, he has a very big team, and his sponsor has a very big team. As a matter of fact, he's on the leaderboard consistently, he and his wife. So I'm not going to name any names. And that's it. My phone number, Pacific Time Zone weekdays, 360-383-0265. Yoli has wonderful support for customers and members like me that are in the business of sharing and promoting Yoli, and we get rewarded with commissions for doing that. wonderful business to be in. You meet some of the finest people in the world in the direct sales industry. God bless you, my friends. Bye for now.